The goal was to finish the kitchen today, but...
Oh, damn, did they glue this Mickey Flicky on her? We are back with the trim.
Oops, I have the trim.
We about to see if
Oh, Lord.
this trim about to look right. I'm gonna scratch all the walls.
Don't try this at home, kids. Jeez.
I'm gonna flip that boy around.
Oh, my God.
Here, take this one now, I get that one. You about to knock it right over, knock the picture off the wall.
Look, see,
And still in the same spot. God. Oh my God. Man.
So what? So what?
She just did all that flipping and it's on the same side.
So
Here,
what?
just take this one, I'll flip it.
Nah, I feel like I'm supposed to figure it out.
You flip
ain't no
yourself and you flip this in your hand.
I'm gonna flip you. Oh, I thought that
all
was
the ceiling. That's cool. Cause
I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
Yeah.
That been like that. But on a serious note, did y'all see what my baby did up in here?
The little razzle dazzle.
Oh Lord, look like we need more.
Watch this.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Bam. Dang, is it perfect? Little tank. Just
About
a
a
little
foot. So we trying to see if this trim will hide or gap if we lift that up.
Don't mind this. Let's just say transport cracked it.
It is what we gonna make it. That's cool. That's how the trim gonna go right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and get to start laying this bad baby out. Smack it in with a couple nails. I really don't need one to nail it.
So do you paint first? Or you think it don't matter?
We can. The trim need painted though. That's just problem.
I mean, we gotta paint other trim, so like, do it matter if we paint it while it's on the floor?
You the painter.
I'm asking you, cause you the painter. That's above my pay grade.
Nah, you and your little brush. Baby brush game. I'm my finish nail here. And dang, did I grab any nails? I don't even got, wow. I ain't even got that many. But you know what? We're gonna make that work. About 10. See what we can do. So I can't nail down this trim because I ain't got my nails. And then I have to mud this wall as well. But so in the meantime, before I even do that, the sink wasn't hooked up because the lines was too short. I grabbed these two here. One side is a male and the other side is a female. So of course this one here goes into the spigot and that one there is gonna go into the faucet. That's where the line screw into here to extend it. So I'm about to hook that up so we can see what the sink look like, act like. Also got some shutoff valves too, so I'm gonna replace them old joints in there. I got these two new shutoff valves, quarter turns because I actually had to shut off the water downstairs because this water wasn't shutting off all the way. All right, so I just gotta twist these off and twist my new ones back on. These have like a little nut at the bottom there, so we just take that off and that's where the new one is gonna screw into. And we're going straight up because it's coming out the floor, so it'll be easy to just connect that line straight down. If we was coming out the wall, come out the wall kind of like that, and then lines drop down, bang, and screw straight in there. I need to make sure this boy off. Just thought about that. I was gonna take this off and water was gonna be spraying everywhere. I think this cold water still on. The hot water, I know I got that shut off. Cold water, I don't know. I gotta make sure that's off. All right, so I got that water off. Damn, did they glue this Mickey Flicky on her? There we go. That easy, twist that off. Look, it's the same thing as this here. So we're just gonna go ahead, screw that bad baby back on too. Don't need no tape because it's a compression, but I probably could put something on there for extra measures, but I ain't. Let me see something. All right, that's pretty tight. Let's take the other one off, the one that was actually leaking. Got that one off. These are called multi-turns where you gotta keep twisting and twisting like to turn it off versus just bop, off, on, off, on. I'd rather spend the extra money to go quarter turn any day. Seem like with them other ones, you just run into issues when you gotta turn them multiple times. All right, now we grab our extension cables. So this is the cold one because it got blue stripes on it. Go ahead and tighten this up here. With these lines is hand tight and then quarter turn with the pliers. We used to tighten these too tight when we used to install dishwashers when we was in high school, and them boys used to be legging. So quarter turn, just like the shut-off valve. And then this is cold. Cold as always on the right, usually. Then we're gonna go ahead, twist that on there. Hand tight, quarter turn. These got little screens on them to catch dirt. That's pretty cool. Hand tight, quarter turn. Wow. That's it. So I'm gonna shut these off and then I'm gonna turn that water on. Make sure we ain't got no leaky weekies. I don't see no water coming out the bottom. You know we got our shut off on there nice and tight. Oh, no water. Let's turn the water on. I don't want to take this off just in case any dirt. Oh, we got to tighten this up. All right, so we had a little leak right here underneath this nut. So tighten that up. This boy got some nice water pressure. All right, put this back on. Still freaking leaking. I can see that boy look crooked. So I need to cut one of these down and make it a little shorter. All right, I'm just gonna cut a bit off here. That look way better. But look, it's something, this missing something. That boy too free. I think just missing the washer up here. Oh, it's right here. That's why it probably was leaking too. Washer is missing. All right. We good, y'all. So down is hot, up is cold. I like it. All right, so that's another thing that's checked off the list that we don't have to worry about no more. The next thing we're gonna have to do, I would like to get like a mat to roll out at the bottom of there just so all that can look even, probably like a white little rubber mat. I'm about to mix up some mud and get the patch in this wall over here. Yeah, and also, it's grandma's birthday too, so happy birthday to grandma, heavenly birthday. And let's get back to work, loves. This piece of trim right here is going in between this crack right here.
What do y'all think?